Guess what? This is full size for $12, so this alone paid for the bag. Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. Nice to see you again. And in today's video, we will be doing an unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of June 2021. Yes! And just so you know, the Ipsy Glam Bag is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $12 where you get 5 deluxe samples, and out of the 5, you get to pick 1. Yes! And sometimes you also get a full-size product. So without further ado, let's unbag this beauty. And here she is. Look at that. It is so and the bag is so cute. So let's open it. And once you open it, it actually has the card that tells you the theme for the month. And this month's theme is Do You. And it actually says, get into the month's theme. Yes, and the month's theme is celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Yes, and right inside the card has the products that we got here. So the first product is the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. And just so you know, Benefit Cosmetics is really amazing. So happy that this is in here. And it actually says that this lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes skin. It also helps to blur the look of pores and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders and locks your look into place for a full 16 hours. And the full size of this is $32. So let's open this beauty. It also says that this is actually alcohol free. And this is she. I actually don't really use a setting spray. So if you've actually tried this, please let me know. So let's actually try it. Let's spray it on. Well, it gives that misty feel. Unfortunately, once you actually put it on, it's a bit blotchy. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but let's smell it. It actually smells okay. And usually what I actually do with this is, if I want my powder eyeliner to be intense right on my eyes, I would spray this first right on my eyeshadow liner brush and then dip it on the eyeshadow, and it will give me that precise line just like how a gel eyeliner would. So that's actually how I would use this. So if you have other ideas how to use this, please let me know. So the next product here is the Sway Food Story Pomegranate and Kiwi Sheet Mask Duo. As you all know, oh my gosh, I love masks, especially it's summer. And it says in here that the pop on the Kiwi Sheet Mask helps to reduce redness and inflammation, while the Pomegranate Sheet Mask helps to treat your skin to a dose of plumping antioxidants and humectants. In other words, the good thing about using face masks or these sheet masks is that it's really more of like you pampering your skin, and also most amazing when you're stressed out or on the days that you just want to relax. And since I have so many sheet masks already, I'm going to put this on a future giveaway. Yes! So the next product here is the Real Her Positive Vibes Moisturizing Lipstick. And this is she. And it actually says that if you dream a lipstick that's a bomb feel, then this is the lipstick for you. I'm actually using it right now. When I actually applied it, it's really hydrating on the lips. This one also has jojoba seed oil and shea butter that helps with dryness on the lips. And it also has plus time release water that provides moisture throughout the day. And the full size of this is $18. Now let me actually show you how the color looks like right on my hand. But I really love it on my lips. Look at that. Look, let me show you again. So hydrating. And this is the color. Look how pretty. It's really that nice, like pinky warm, like a warmy pink. There you go. That will really go well both with neutral eyes or dramatic eyes. Yes. So the next product here is the Ico Black Magic. Wow, Black Magic liquid eyeliner. And this is a travel size. And they actually say that this liquid eyeliner won't smudge, won't smear, and won't fade for hours. And it also has vitamin B5 and E to help condition skin too. And this one, the full size, retails for $22. Yeah, so let's actually open this beauty. It looks like it actually has a plastic applicator, but look at that. It's really intense. This actually reminds me when I used to work for Dior at Saks of the art pen. And the good thing about this one is that it actually has a plastic applicator. And usually once I finish the product, I recycle the brush or the pen and use it to dip onto my gel eyeliner. So there you go. So if you're into recycling products, this is great because it almost has like that pointy brush that you can recycle as well. And the last product here is the YC Collection Liquid Blush in Papaya. I'm actually wearing it right now. I super love it. And they actually say that this liquid blush gives you hydration, and it also has vitamin E and plant oils. Yes, this one also says that it has a shimmery peach color. I'll be honest with you, I did not see the shimmer right on the color, but I actually love that it really gives me that natural peach look on the skin. So let me actually show you. So look at the color right here. So it's really lightweight. I actually prefer liquid blushes on the summer compared to powder because it's more natural. It looks like the sun just really naturally kissed your cheek. But look at that, a little amount goes a long way. And here's a little video that I made on how I actually applied the liquid blush. And this is how you can use the YC Collection Liquid Blush. So I love this because you can just use a very small amount of this. So I'll put a very small amount there right on my hand. And then after that, I'm actually going to use my Nat Beauty Blender. I'm going to use the tip of it. And then I'm going to dip it right there. And I'm gonna smile. And I'm just going to apply it right on the apples of my cheeks. Quick, simple, and easy, especially for summer. Sometimes a lot of powder blushes can be so unnatural looking. Your liquid blush is the best thing for that nice flush look. Yes, look at that, quick and easy, yes. And there you have it. So now let me give you a quick summary of our glam bag for June 2021. So first, we actually got the Benefit Professional Setting Spray. We also got our Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick. We also got our Black Magic Black Liquid Eyeliner. We also got our Sheet Mask. Oh my gosh. And we also get our full-size liquid blush in Papaya, yes, from YC Collection. So what do you think of this month's glam bag? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you ask me, my favorite is the liquid blush, and this was actually my choice. Super happy to also pick this. I also am looking forward to using the liquid eyeliner and the lipstick as well. Actually, pretty much the whole bag is really good. So again, this is Alicat Castle, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as makeup and story time, hope you can consider subscribing as well. And again, this is Alicat Castle telling you, you are beautiful with or without makeup. And I love you. Bye!